Hello, guys. Welcome back to the channel. All right, CEO Quincy here. And guys, if you don't know who I am, uh, my name's Quincy Farley. I go by CEO Quincy on my YouTube channel and my social medias. Guys, I was once a 9 to 5 worker. I worked as a delivery driver for 3 years, and I've done credit repair, guys, for the past 7 years. Okay, I had my own business, had my own office, and then I discovered digital marketing, guys, in April. Okay, a friend of mine on Facebook shared an opportunity with me, and I haven't looked back. And it's because of this program, interactive program, that has allowed me to not have to go back, work for myself as a self-employed individual or an employee of a corporation. I do this solely from my home, guys. I only work 2 to 3 hours a day, and I'm going to show you the program that has taught me and equipped me with the skills that I now possess now to attract my perfect customer, to market anything that I want, and also teaches uh, anyone how to create their own digital products and earn 100% profits, and how to do this through automation, guys. So I literally don't have to call people, or don't have to DM people, chase family or friends, or recruit people anymore because of this program. And I'm going to show you here, guys. Let me open my page up here. Um, Let me show you real quick, guys. I'm going to show you this page here. This is when I'm through the system, guys. This is through the system right here. Hold on real quick. Okay, let me see. Let me move this real quick. Okay, let me move this over. Okay, guys, so this page right here, this page right here, guys, this is allowing me to earn daily pay through automation. Okay, and I'm going to include the link in the description. If you go to the link in that description, guys, it's going to bring up this page here, and where you can get uh, more information and to watch a brief video on how this digital marketing program will teach you the skills you need to increase your customer base in whatever business you have online, guys, or offline. It doesn't matter. It's going to teach you the skills. Okay, it's going to teach you the skills. And give me 1 second, guys. I have to, let me see. Okay. So I'm going to go to this page here because I don't want to show any personal information here. So I'm going to show this page here, guys. All right, this is the sales page, guys. Okay, but when you go through the system, it doesn't take people straight to a sales page. Okay, this is a sales page. All right, but before I go through that, guys, let me show you. Let me show you. Give me 1 second here. Let me show you. I'm going to show you the thank you page. So this is called a bridge page. Okay, you get this entire system done for you, already built. Okay, this page here. This is a thank you page or a bridge page. This is what your prospects and leads will be taken to once they enter their email address. Okay, you're going to be taken to a thank you page, which Michelle breaks down this business. Okay, this is my mentor who's taught me the skills that I have now. She's going to break down the business right here. It's a 15-minute video. Okay, I'm going to watch that entire video, and she's basically explaining how a proven uh, passive daily pay blueprint anyone can follow and you implement to get the results that you're looking for in a business. All right, it creates a daily income for you. Okay, and it's totally digital. Okay, and it's totally automated. All right, and here's testimonials, real testimonials, and these testimonials are inside of our community. These are people that have went through this same step-by-step blueprint, guys, and you see the results, right? You see the results. Savannah, $1,800 day watching her son's baseball tournament. Deborah, $1,500 in dings. Okay, $1,500 she made in the last 3 days. Amy, another $2,000 day, guys. $2,000 in a single day. You have the Neil, $10,000 for March, completely smashed. Marsha, $1,350 in a day. And Joseph, $5,000 made in 8 days, guys. In just a week. Okay, in just a week. At $5,000, guys, what would that do for you? Okay, well, what this program provides, guys, this program provides, it's an interactive program which teaches people. Okay, it's a 3-step system. All right, to show you how to start earning 100% daily profits. Okay, and it's basically going to show you step one is to get started, is where you select one of the digital programs that best fits your goals and your needs. Step two, you're going to learn how to launch a daily pay business. Okay, it's going to show you how to do that by posting ads on high traffic websites for free. Okay, how to create content for social media to drive tons of traffic to your automated system so you don't have to pay for any ads. And they provide the content and give you content ideas so that you can copy and paste. Okay, so literally, if you can copy and paste, guys, you can launch a daily pay business. All right, and step three is start earning on autopilot with an online business. Okay, all right, guys. So this is me. This is my story, guys. I literally didn't have to build anything, didn't have to design this website. All I did was just plug in a couple of pictures, guys, and my story. Okay, that is pretty much it. All right, and so this is a beautifully designed website. I'm showing you exactly what's included in the Legacy Builder program and what you get. Okay, and I want you to block out all the noise and all the negative info on this program because none of it is true. Okay, you can literally start a business without a product, without your own product, earn 100% profits daily using a fully automated system, and then you get all your traffic for free, all right, using social media platforms, all right. And there's a specific training that shows you how to tap into your perfect customer, how to track your perfect customer using social media, okay, for free, guys. And you're able to do this on a daily basis, only working 2 hours per day. You tell me what other business can you launch, be in profit within a few days, okay, or a week, and you don't have to put in no more than 2 hours. So as you can see, it comes with interactive video training, guys, okay? And so let me just show you. These are the 4 products person can choose from. I literally never have to sell these products, okay? I never have to sell these products, guys. All right. And so what I'm showing you is these 4 products here. Legacy Builders program right here. Digital Mastery. This is the #1 selling program is Legacy Builders. We as a whole, guys, past in the past, I say 90 days, past 3 months, we earned $10 million. Let that sink in. $10 million was earned. All right. So what we generated as a whole entire community, $10 million in 90 days. Okay. In 90 days. That is insane. Okay. That is the value you get with this program here because it teaches you everything about running an online business from product creation to getting customers on a regular basis to generating leads to using AI technology, all right, to do most of the work for you guys, this is an awesome program. All right, so if I had to give it a rating, if I had to give it rated with stars, guys, I will give it 5 stars. Okay. All right, I give it 5 stars, guys. This program it knocks it out of the park. It provides you with 4 income streams. You can select if you want 1 income stream all the way up to 4. If you own a Legacy Builders program, guys, if you get in at the Legacy Builders program, you get 4. You own all the resale rights to 4 products, and all of them have their own value. Okay, the highest valued product is the Legacy Builders program. Okay, so you can literally tap in. This breaks it down on what's inside the launch pad. Okay, shows you what you get, what you're going to be trained on. All right, it shows you how to grow your social media. You do not need any followers to start this business and start earning. Okay, passive daily blueprint, how to make 100% profit from other people's products. Okay, and you have grow your digital empire with digital mastery. Okay, we have a 6 figures in 6 months learning training module, build a recurring income stream, affiliate marketing partnerships, email marketing, and list building, and how to use ChatGPT to 10 times your productivity, which I use, guys, on a daily basis. Okay. All right. I'm not going to go through all the programs. And you see, that was this is the Legacy Builders. Okay. That's what's included in the Legacy Builders. You see why people want this product is because it shows a person how to go from 0 skills to highly skilled in a matter of days. All right. And you receive these 8 bonuses, guys. Digital Growth Community, access to our community, Canva crash course, 1 million in 7 months blueprint, 30-day marketing strategy growth, shows you how to grow your business, go to 0 to 10K in 30 days, how to start an online business, MOR, and bonus 6, 200 digital product ideas to create your own products, mindset, message marketing to your first million. And if you don't want to be on camera, guys, show you how to market your entire business faceless. Okay, you don't even have to show your face. So, guys, this is an entire business in a box. If you're looking, if you're trying to market or sell anything online, this will show you how to do it. Okay, as you can see, you get 4 income streams to generate $100, $300, $600, and $900 per day. Okay. All right. I'm at Legacy Builders. I'm a Legacy Builder reseller, guys, and I can earn up to $900 in a single day. Okay. It's the bonus, pay in full. This goes to shows you the what's inside. What do you get with each product? Okay. And they even have a plan, guys, that you can even finance this business through if you're on a tight budget. So I highly recommend this program. All right, it gives you 4 different levels. Okay, you have 4 income streams with Legacy Builder, 3 income streams with Digital Mastery, 2 income streams with Passive Daily Pay Blueprint, and you get 1 income stream with Launchpad. And you're able to get on a plan, guys. They have payment plans available. Okay, that's the beauty of it. All right, so you just have to select which your income goal is. Okay, so basically, guys, that is a breakdown of this system. If you're looking, I tell you who this for. If you're looking for a way, if you're looking for a way to earn daily income, you want to replace your current income, supplement your income, and only work 2 hours a day, guys. This is the program that will help you reach your destination. I'm going to include the link in the description below, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, guys, click the notification bell. Please like and share this video. Okay, like and share this video, guys, and I will be bringing you guys some great value on how you can actually start running your business, get up and running fairly quickly by using AI technology, guys, and using your social media platform. All right, so guys, so next time, all right, I want everyone to have a wonderful Monday evening.